Here's our live camera looking out toward, here's San Francisco, out toward the Marin Headlands here. So we actually have some sunshine for other portions of the Bay Area down toward San Jose, East Bay neighborhoods, but still some stubborn overcast here over the city. Look at this.
He's totally checking out the camera, Mark.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Like a crow.
I might need a little more time for this weather segment because we have a little visitor.
There he goes.
And it's like, okay, I've seen it. I'm done.
Perfect timing. That's
Outta
all.
here.
That's just that was a little short-lived visit, but interesting there. So our live